Hi, this is Michael from Database Dreams. What we're going to do today is we're going to create a basic file system and then a quick table. Alright, nothing too major. So what we're going to do first is we're going to create a file system. So we want design version. So basically all your design work is going to go into here. Alright, you can call the file whatever you want. Alright, and then create another folder inside it called simple charts. Alright, simple charts. Alright, and that's where all in there all the files we're going to be using, or all the work we're going to be doing will go into here. So everything you need, all the other folders and everything else, I can show you just quickly what that looks like. That is my chart, my design version of Chart Tracker. Alright, and if I go into here, Database Dreams, my programs. Alright, that is actually my version. Alright, I don't do any design work. I'll show you how to get them all working together. Alright, you don't really need to worry about it. It's not important. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to create a database now. So basically, you to click on create blank database. Alright, now give it a name of simple charts. Oh, that's better. Can't forget how to spell all of a sudden. Simple charts data, that's it. Alright, and now you change the location of it because the default location is somewhere else. Alright, design version, alright, and then save that inside the actual simple charts. Alright, that is your data file, and press create. Alright, so basically the only thing that's going to go into this file is tables. I'll explain everything else later, but I'm just going to keep it as simple as I can. Close that, but you don't want that bit. You could actually do it that way, but we're not going to. I don't like doing it that way. Alright, click on create and click table design. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to create a primary key. So we want recording artist ID, because it's a primary key. I always end it with ID. Don't do this. Leave spaces in your field names. Alright, keep them all together. I always use an uppercase for the first letter of the word, so it makes it easy to understand. Now you want to change the short text to auto number. Alright, and primary key. See what I've done there? Primary key. Alright, what that'll do is that will actually count each record. You don't need to touch that field at all. That'll count each record as it goes. I'll show you in a minute. Alright, now we want recording. I've done it again. Artist name. Alright, and that is short text 255. Now the reason that's 255, you leave it that long because basically I've got it here somewhere. I did have it open before, but I must have closed it at some point. Alright, so let's go to query. Alright, I created this earlier. You can see the longest artist in Chart Tracker Elite, which is my version, which has 71,800 artists. Alright, you see there at the bottom. Alright, is 224 characters long, so you need to allow for that. So let's go back to our version here. So 255 allows for that. You shouldn't get anything more than that. Alright, so now we want because a lot of artists' names begin with the word the. Now that makes a nightmare for sorting. So what we do is we separate them. So entity the. Alright, I've done it again, and alright, and short text, but change that to 5, I know the word "the" is only three letters, but change it to 5. Give it a little bit of space. All right. Now what'll happen in inquiries later? I'll show you. I'll take you all through that and show you how to do it. We're going to combine them two if there's the word "the" used in that. All right. Now we want bio. Alright. Now bio, you've got to change it to long text, and there's nothing else needed here, alright? Because obviously bio could be any length really. That'll allow for up to 65,000 characters, or no, 63,000 characters, I think, if I remember rightly. Alright. Now record an artist name. There shouldn't be any duplicates, but it needs indexing because that's the name you're going to be searching on. So you really want to index it. Now I'd say no duplicates, but if you add in things through automation, anything I do is automatic checks, but you never know, you might get a duplicate in there, and might cause an error. But I'm going to leave it for no duplicates, all right? What that means is you can only have one artist name in there. You can't have it repeating, which is what it's supposed to be. Right, now let's save the table. Right, now I always use TBL. You use the same naming convention all the time. Right, don't change things around. Always use the same thing. Don't use spaces. It's otherwise you'll end up with nightmares. Alright, just call that recording artist. Alright. Now you can see that's our table there. Now as you can see, it's got new there. Now you won't normally be using this table, but because I'll close that down, didn't I? Let's open it up. Because I'm just showing you a few things, I'm gonna just do this. All right. Just copy the name from there, and put just so you can see what goes on. Mary J. Blige hasn't got the word "though" in it. All right. Now let's go and find a little bio for Mary J. Blige. All right. Alright, so the easiest way for me to find a bio for Mary J. Blige is to click that button. You'll be able to do all this, alright? Literally, you don't need to worry about it. It's very simple, and I'm gonna help you through every little bit of it. Alright, so you'll be able to open web pages for what you want, even charts. I'll show you that in a minute as well. Alright, so just paste that into there. Now you shouldn't, as I say, you shouldn't really need to view the table like this. Alright. There's your first artist. Alright, done. Let's do one more. Let's go back to here. Alright, who do we want? Mariah Carey. Alright. As you can see, the recording artist Mary J. Blige #1. As soon as I type in there, see it changes to 2. Alright. There's no word there. Again, if you wanted to actually, I'm gonna use Chart Tracker for this. Just makes it nice and easy. Even the search form you're gonna be able to build yourself by the time I'm finished. Alright, very simple to do. Alright, and go there. There she is. At the moment, I'm only creating a very basic system. We can expand it later, but for now, it's just to help people get started. All right. So now you've got 2 artists in there. All right. That's all you need for that. All right. So basically, that's pretty much it for that. As you can see, the next one we're going to do is we're going to do the recording artists and records, but we're not going to do that today because that is a bit more complicated, that one. Alright, but anyway, that's it for me. Thank you. Bye.